Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your tax documents on the Spark Driver app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your tax documents. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go onto the Spark Driver app. Next, click on Account on the bottom hand side. Then on this page here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and then click on Tax Documents. Now, this is where your tax documents are going to be so that you can find your 1099 forms. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your tax documents on the Spark Driver app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.